everybody. So today I'm going to be doing an airplane outfit and necessities. So this first outfit is comfy and easy to put together. I'm wearing a hot pink cami to accent color and just a t-shirt that I have and some black leggings that are super comfortable. Got them from Target. This next outfit is a Bambi t-shirt that is super comfy. I got it at a store in Spain called Primark. Super cute with black leggings, also from Target. If you have to be somewhere right when you get off the plane and need a nicer outfit, this would be the outfit for you. I'm wearing a striped maxi skirt with a plain black t-shirt with lace in the back. It's very simple and easy and affordable. Now for the necessities. Airplanes dry your skin out, so you'll need some moisturizer for your face. Planes can be stinky also, so a small thing of body mist to touch up your face makeup. Bring some BB cream along with you, and to touch up your eyes, bring your mascara. And make sure, since you're on a plane, you have to go through security, make sure you have it all in a quart-sized bag. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe!